guys, welcome back to the platform. Welcome to today's video. So it's my wash day routine. I just finished losing my braid, so this is what I have. Like, this was the night I lose the braid, then in the next morning I will be taking you all on how I wash my hair. So this is my hair 3 weeks of using cloves on my hair. So these are the things we need for the braid, like to wash my hair, detangle my hair, and the rest. I've done a full video of me detangling my hair. It's in the channel. You can do well to check that out. Okay, guys. So first of all, I am going to detangle my hair, which is going to section my hair in, put my hair in sections, like 4 sections. Okay, it's not compulsory that your lines are straight. So I'll section it in 4 sections. Then I'm using my band to hold it. Okay, then I will start with the process, which is the detangling process, because I always detangle my hair first before I wash it, because it makes my wash day very easy. Like, when I wash my hair, I don't lose a lot of hair shed. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. I really do appreciate all the love and all the support I got in the channel. Please do well to check other of my videos. You'll find them very informative and very entertaining. So let's get the video started, which is starting to detangle my hair. I've already done a full video where I detangle my hair. It's in the channel. Do well to check it out. So my hair is fully detangled. Okay, this is what we have after my detangle process. Okay, I am going to comb it. Like, after I detangle my hair and comb it, like, you guys, it was so easy to comb because it's already soft. I used okra water and green tea, okay, to detangle my hair. As I said, I've already done the video in the channel. Do want to check that video out. Okay, so I'm only going to show you guys how I wash my hair in today's video. So after this, I'm going to brush it. Brushing my hair before I wash it is so easy for me. When I'm washing it, I don't need to do much, okay, because I've already detangle it. The hair is already free from knot and all, so it's more easier for you to wash your hair after you detangle. So I use my pre-pull, which is detangle stroke pre-pull process, as my first routine before I start to wash my hair with shampoo or do a deep condition or do a condition treatment. Anyone. My treatment is ready. Okay, before of me doing this things in the channel, George, so I'm going to wash it out and apply my deep condition. Okay, so I'm going to be using this soap to wash my hair. Like this. This treatment made my hair so soft. So I'm not going to wash my hair in this section. Or should I? Maybe I wash it in section. Anyway, but I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna rinse out the treatment I did. I'm gonna rinse it out. You can use warm water or cold water depending on what your hair loves. Okay, so I'm going to use that to rinse out the treatment before I start to use my shampoo. The shampoo, as I said earlier on, is in my channel. That has rosemary, it has cloves, it has some oils, and after rinsing it out, I am going to apply the shampoo on my hair, then wash it. I don't wash my hair in section. I wash my hair full like this because I feel it's more easier for me to get my hand around everything. Okay, and more faster than washing it in section. You can wash your hair in section. Just do do the way your hair how you love to wash your hair, okay? Because when you are in a nice environment, in a nice space, and you wash your hair, you treat your hair very, very nice. You will not be pulling your hair. But when you're not in that state of washing your hair, or you're not in that state of relaxed time, you treat your hair anyhow because you're in a haste. So always to wash your hair or treat your hair when you are calm, when you're okay. Yeah. So I went back again with the same soap and wash it. I always wash my hair 2 times before I move to my deep condition treatment. Okay, I'm using my scalp massager to massage my hair while I wash my scalp. Okay, it helps to clear any build ups or anything you have in your hair. If you use this, it will help you to remove that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. After this, I'll rinse my hair and then we'll move to our deep condition treatment. So besties, I am done. I have done my treatment, which will come out in a separate video. So this is my hair after it's been washed. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. I foresee hair can be shrink. It can shrink like for ages. So I am going to be applying my deep condition treatment on my hair, which contains avocado, banana, and a lot. Like that is a very, very high deep condition treatment. Like, you need to check out that video, which will drop after this one. Okay, so if you've watched this essay and you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And please leave your beautiful comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this wash day routine. Is it easy? Is it difficult? Or how do you wash your hair to make your wash day routine more easier for you on your wash day? Yeah, so this is how I wash my hair. Sometimes I switch my deep condition to a different one. Sometimes I use, you guys have seen I use a lot of eggs in this channel. Okay, because egg treatment always help my hair. Anytime I braid my hair, it strengthens, it gives my hair back the strength. Okay, so I'm going to cut my hair in section and start to apply the treatment on my hair. Like, this treatment is so amazing. Like, guys, you need to try this treatment out. It made my hair so soft. Like, I did enough, okay, so that all my old hairs can benefit from this treatment. This deep condition treatment is a must have or a must use. So right now I'm just running my hands through the treatment and trying to take pictures as well, like do like a picture, whatever, trying to take pictures, sure. So that's what I was doing, and after this I am going to secure my hair at the back. Then I'll cover my hair with my cap. This really, you really did my hair wonders. So basically, it's time to rinse out my deep condition. I left this for 40 minutes, or you can stretch it to 1 hour, but I left mine for 40 minutes on my hair. And after leaving it for that amount of time, my hair felt so soft, so soft. Like, yo, it was really, really soft. So this is me after I've rinsed it out, and I can see that the hair, like as I'm editing it right now, it's shining, okay. And when I was touching the hair, it was so soft, okay. It was really, really soft, guys. Then now I can see that my coils are really, really popping up. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to be stretching it out, but I'm going to be using a non-heat stretch out method, okay. So right now I am adding my condition, because after I deep condition, I always add condition as well. So I'm going to add my condition, comb out my hair, then allow it to stay for another maybe 10 minutes, then I'll rinse it out. That's what I do on my wash day routine. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So my wash day routine is I pre-poo. After pre-poo, I wash. After wash, I deep condition. After deep condition, I condition. After condition, I stretch my hair. So a video of me stretching my hair will come out in the channel. You can do what to check that video out. And after this was the hair I lost in combing it as it is in a condition state, okay. So I didn't lose a lot of hair because of my detangling stroke pre-poo method, okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comment, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.